I am not Mr. Lebowski. You're Mr. Lebowski. I'm the dude. So that's what you call me?
Here's the blade that's going to come off. And so what we have to do is we'll have to push in that tab and then slide this forward. And then with the new blades, we'll show you how to put those on. You can just push this tab in here like that, just to get this thing to kind of settle out a little bit. And you just got to slide this all the way, and that'll clear. And then it just pops out just like that. And that's what that looks like. We can get a focus on it there. And then the new one, as you can see, that will open and clip in like that. And back out. So we just go in here, slide it on into place. It does have a little rotation section in here. So I didn't have the top up, so there's a little indent right there, and you want to make sure that you're going in that way. So there's a little learning lesson right there. So there, and now it's in the channel, and then that will snap in. There's the tab right there, the little indentation. You can see how that slides in. There we go. Have to get it situated. Good to go.